people, this is ICO review, and today I'm back with Ubex ICO, artificial intelligence in advertising. But today I'll be focusing on getting airdrop, claim 500 Ubex token free, ladies and gentlemen. I know that some of you guys who don't care about airdrop, but I know some of you care about it. For me, sometimes I go for it, sometimes I don't go if it's too stressful. But I believe this is just simple and easiest way for you to get free 500 Ubex token. It can be $100 very soon, it can be 200 or whatever in the future. Just claim it free and save it into your wallet, ladies and gentlemen. And if you have not watched my review on Ubex token, Ubex ICO, you can watch it, and I'm going to drop the link below. After watching this video, take your time to go through my reviews and you're going to like it. Whether you should go for Ubex ICO or not, watch my review. And now all you need to do is this. I can scroll down, you scroll down the website, and here you see get 500 Ubex free for registration. Type your email address, click on get 500 Ubex token, and he's going to ask you for your Telegram and Facebook and there, but just fill it there and you get it immediately. 500 Ubex token you get immediately. Now there's still more to it. If you still need more, this is what you need to do. Now you go to Bounty. You go to Bounty. Another Bounty, you can see signature and avatar campaign, Telegram administrator, ambassador, Facebook, Twitter, and all the rest. So they are going to share some of their airdrops with you if you join all these. So, but the easiest way you can go for is just join and get your 500 free token. Well, I'm going to leave my link down below for you to sign up for Ubex ICO, and it's very hot ICO going out now. If you watch my review, you'll see a lot about it. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you a million times for watching my video. Please show me some love, subscribe to my video, click the like button, click on for the notification. I love you guys, and until next time, this is ICO reviews.